Take your time, bro. You gotta appreciate the journey that you've had so far, because your story is a great one, full of ups and downs, some victories and some losses, full of pain but a lot of glory. You gotta be proud of the man that you're becoming. And none of it came easy. It took a lot of work, but you built for it. Remember, strength ain't always about what you carry. It's about your demeanor when things get tough. It's how fast you can recover after you hit your peak. It's about finding your voice when the world tries to silence you. You ain't good, you greater, and you'll continue to find success as long as you remember that. Don't ever forget where you come from, but remember where you've been. Your time is now, so let's see what you do with it. It's time to clock back in. You on the night shift.